2016 Ford Fusion Energi. The Ford Fusion Energi is an electric hybrid vehicle with all of the efficiencies you want in an electric vehicle. It also offers the new Sync infotainment interface, push-button start, and an 11-speaker audio system. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, heated seats, keyless entry, dual airbags, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless ignition, voice-activated navigation system, iPod adapter, AM/FM stereo radio, compass, security system, power windows, fog lights, CD player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.